Agatha Harkness and Rio Vidal clearly have a very intense history in Agatha All Along, and in episode 4, If I Can't Reach You or Let My Song Teach You, reveals more about their mysterious relationship in the MCU. The connection between Kathryn Hahn's Agatha Harkness and Aubrey Plaza's Rio Vidal has been a hot topic of discussion since Agatha All Along's premiere ended with their heated spar. After being absent for episodes 2 and 3, Rio Vidal returned in episode 4, controversy replacing Sharon Davis and Agatha Harkness' coven on the Witch's Road. Following their brief fight in Agatha All Along Episode 1, Seekest Thou the Road, speculation began to stir regarding a possible romantic relationship between Agatha Harkness and Rio Vidal. Their intimate spar certainly implied some personal connection in their past, but the series hasn't yet revealed exactly what this connection entailed. Agatha All Along Episode 4 uncovered more details, however, confirming huge details about Agatha Harkness and Rio Vidal's history in the MCU that will surely have an impact on the series' upcoming episodes. Marvel Comics' Agatha Harkness, first seen in 1970's Fantastic Four issue 94, has seldom been depicted with a love interest. However, since her debut, Agatha Harkness has demonstrated a maternal, caring and generous personality. First as the governess to Franklin Richards and a companion to the Fantastic Four, and later as a mentor and mother figure to one of Maximoff's Scarlet Witch. The existence of Nicholas Scratch, Agatha Harkness' powerful and villainous son, confirms that, at some point, the witch has been embroiled in an affair of the heart. In fact, in Marvel Comics, Nicholas Scratch was the consequence of Agatha Harkness' marriage, though the identity of Scratch's other parent has never been confirmed. Since Nicholas Scratch is an amalgam of euphemistic names for the devil, some have speculated that the demon Mephisto could be his father, which may lend weight to theories concerning Mephisto's upcoming MCU debut in Agatha All Along. Rio Vidal currently has no Marvel Comics counterpart, so her connection to Agatha Harkness in the MCU is brand new and very exciting. Prior to Agatha All Along Episode 4, not much was known about Agatha Harkness' history with Rio Vidal, but that is no longer the case. Most notably, Episode 4 confirmed that Agatha Harkness and Rio Vidal had been romantically involved long before the series kicked off. This comes after the cast of Agatha All Along claimed the series would be the gayest project Marvel has ever done. And, hilariously, a gay explosion. This is a very enticing development, but Agatha All Along Episode 4 also revealed some dark truths about Agatha and Rio's relationship. According to Agatha Harkness, in the sound booth of the second house on the Witch's Road, she and Rio Vidal used to work together. However, as revealed by Rio Vidal around the campfire, she was eventually forced to do her job. But this marked an act of betrayal against Agatha Harkness, hurting her and destroying their romantic relationship irreparably. Agatha All Along Episode 4 overtly supports recent popular theories suggesting Rio Vidal may actually be Lady Death, hinting at an incredibly dark and twisted past for both Agatha Harkness and Rio Vidal. Agatha All Along Episode 1 ended with Rio Vidal bursting into a reawakened Agatha Harkness home. However, Agatha claims Rio is not allowed to kill her, perhaps suggesting the pair may have exchanged vows, possibly even in a marriage ceremony. Theories of Rio Vidal being Lady Death explain Agatha's animosity toward her, as her lover would have been forced to take Agatha's son, contributing to the brutal act of betrayal. The intensity and heat of this fight is fully explained thanks to Agatha and Rio's past romance, and anticipation is high for Agatha All Along to develop it further. I hope you liked this explanation, and if you liked it, then like and share this video. Also, if you are new to our channel, then subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon because we keep bringing such videos on our channel. Peace.